Installing a structural post is a straightforward process that just requires some planning around the deck frame itself. To get started, you will need wood blocking in the area underneath where the post will be mounted. 2 pieces of 2x8 lumber can be attached as blocking in these areas with wood deck screws. Once blocking is installed, set your structural post in position on the deck surface. Mark the location of the screw openings with a pencil, remove the post, and pre-drill the holes with the appropriate size drill bit. If your structural post has a leveling plate or shims, make sure to set them underneath the base plate. Drive fasteners about halfway in through all 4 openings. Using a level to ensure the post is plumb, drive and adjust the lag screws until all fasteners are fully installed and the finished post is plumb. Attach the guide blocks at the railing bracket heights via the included screws and you're ready for a post sleeve. Structural posts are available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck railing design or install, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your deck project.